Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi friends. A tale of a king, the master of his riches. As often happens, a man who is close to the king is looked upon with contempt and malice by his enemies. Ayaz was no exception. Another servant, desirous of the king's favour, one day remarked, "Why does the king favour Ayaz? He is not as grey as he is made out to be. Why does the king always like him when he doesn't know about him?" When the remark reached the king's ears, he was rightfully upset, but decided to be patient until a favourable opportunity presented itself. Soon thereafter, the king was on a journey when the conveyance he was travelling on fell to the ground together with all his valuables. He seized the opportunity and announced to his servants, "From these valuables, whatever you lay your hands upon will be yours." The servants began scrambling and grabbing whatever they could except Ayaz, who remained at the king's side. The king asked him, "Ayaz, why did you not leave my side and gather some of the valuables?" Ayaz wisely replied, "O king, I was in your company. Why should I be so foolish as to leave your company for the riches of the world?" The reply served as the perfect answer, which the king used to silence Ayaz's malicious critics, saying, "This is why Ayaz is the favourite in my sight." Moral of the story: just as Ayaz wisely preferred the king over his riches, a wise man prefers the love of Allah over worldly riches. Jazakallah for watching. I hope you like it. Allah Hafiz.